Welcome everyone. Today, let us reflect on an important topic that touches almost every life: exams. When we say exam, we think of board exams. But look deeper. One student writes a board exam, another prepares for an entrance test, someone appears for a job interview, another attends a promotion review. Someone else takes a professional certification to upgrade credentials. Life keeps sending us invitations in the form of exams. In all these situations, a silent doubt appears. Is this exam only to test my memory? Or is it testing my thinking, clarity, composure, and capability? If it is only memory, machines can win. If it is mind, character matters. In today's competitive world, everyone must prepare and compete. Some will succeed in the first attempt. Some may go for another round. Some may change direction. But the real pressure comes not from the exam, it comes from comparison. Constant comparison, high expectations, rank culture. This creates stress not only for students but also for parents and society. How do we handle this? Strong, consistent preparation reduces fear. The Bhagavad Gita, chapter 4, verse 38, gives us a profound reminder. Nahi gnanena sadrusam pavitra vidyate. There is nothing in this world as powerful and pure as true knowledge. Notice, it says knowledge, not marks, not rank, not memory. True knowledge is internalized understanding. It grows with discipline, practice, reflection. Parents must guide continuously, not only before the exam. Clarify doubts, provide the right teachers, encourage consistency. Students must prepare throughout the academic year, not only at the edge of the exam. Regular preparation gives clarity. Clarity builds confidence. Exams should not be mirrors of memory alone. They should test understanding, application, presence of mind, and resilience. What do you think? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.